I believe the world of professional selling has changed forever, and let me tell you why. The COVID-19 health crisis in 2020 changed the world, and as the world came out of the medical emergency, what was left behind were the lingering, painful effects of an economic crisis, and without doubt it put the world into what I call the Great Recession. Some organisations weren't severely impacted. There were winners and losers, but in my view, for every winner, there were 10 to 20 losers. And even for the winners or the companies that weren't impacted in ways that they thought weren't too bad, they certainly had clients, or their clients had clients, who were devastated by COVID-19 and the lingering economic impacts. So here's what I think it means for sales now moving forward. The Great Recession has created a huge focus with buying organisations, so for all clients, on the business case for making any decision. There has to be really strong commercial value in them changing away from current state. So one of the things that is now the new normal in the world of selling is you need strong commercial acumen, business acumen. It's now the new table stakes. They're not interested in our flowery words. They're interested in our ability to articulate and then co-create a very strong business case that shows how they can improve results and managing the risks in actually getting those results. The next thing that's going to change forever is, I believe, the Great Recession is getting organisations, including sales organisations, very focused on how they can leverage technology through automation to reduce labour costs permanently. There will be less salespeople in the world now moving forward. Plenty of them have been retrenched. A lot of those roles won't come back. As companies seek to use technology, automation, platforms, AI to drive sales without the need for humans until certain parts of the sales process. So for every salesperson on the face of the planet, all of us need to now develop high TQ, technical quotient. We need to embrace the very thing that could displace us, and that's technology. Learn how to use technology to create superhuman levels of productivity. That's the subject of my new book, available in June 2021. I've co-authored it with Justin Michael, and it's called TQ, Superhuman Sales Skills. You need to become superhuman to cope in the new world of selling.